Hey business owners, let's talk small business taxes, because nothing says fun like keeping money in your pocket, right? Today, I've got the top 7 small business tax deductions you need to know about. Grab your coffee and maybe a stress ball, because it's tax time. Food tastes better when it's deductible. You can write out 50% of your business meals, but here's the catch. The meal has to be work-related, and entertainment doesn't count. So that fancy client dinner, deductible. Grabbing cocktails with your friends, a good time, yes. Tax deductible, not so much. Keep detailed notes on your receipts, like the date, location, and purpose of the meeting. Better yet, use FreshBooks to snap a picture and categorize it right away. Business trips can add up quickly, but the good news is they're deductible. Flights, hotels, rental cars, and even dry cleaning are fair game, as long as they're work-related. Just remember, personal expenses during a trip like that beachside cocktail aren't deductible. The key is to keep business and leisure separate. Does your business require you to drive? Good news, those miles could be deductible. You can either deduct a set amount per mile by checking the IRS website for the current rate, or you can claim actual expenses like gas, maintenance, and insurance. Just make sure you log everything accurately. Trips to meet clients or pick up supplies count, but personal errands don't. And if you work from home, every business-related trip is fair game. If it's for your office, it's deductible. Think pens, papers, staplers, the everyday essentials that keep your business running. Larger items like printers and computers are included too. The key is record keeping. Save your receipts, or better yet, use software to track and categorize expenses easily. Got a dedicated workspace at home? You can deduct $5 per square foot, up to 300 square feet with the simplified method. Or calculate the actual expenses for things like electricity, internet, and rent based on the percentage of your home that you use for business. The catch? The space must be exclusively for work. No doubling up as a playroom or game night hub. From accountants to lawyers, and even marketing consultants, professional services are fully deductible. If they're helping your business grow or keeping you compliant, they're worth the investment and the deduction. Employee benefits, like health insurance and retirement plans, are deductible too. It's a win-win. You're taking care of your team while also lowering your taxable income. So, how do you maximize deductions? First, keep detailed records, receipts, mileage logs, invoices, you name it. And second, use tools like FreshBooks to track and categorize expenses efficiently. Staying organized throughout the year makes tax time way less stressful. See? Deductions aren't about saving money, they're about reducing your taxable income and putting more back into your business. Keep good records, track expenses, and when in doubt, consult a tax professional. They'll help you make the most of these deductions. Here's to more tax deductions and fewer tax headaches. And if you're looking for more tips, check out FreshBooks.com. You'll find a link in the video description. See you next time. You got this.